driving down the road and I see an H3 on the road. I mean, I have not seen an F offset like this. I mean, look at this. Look at that thing. I mean, holy crap. It's wider than a Wrangler. I mean, I'm serious. Look at this thing. It's huge. I mean, I don't know who the hell drives this H3, but I'm telling you, whoever this is, if you see this video, dude, I love it. I seriously do. The way it's like, I mean, yeah, I know it looks a little too crazy, but at the same time, it takes up the whole road and just makes you a freaking asshole, and at the same time, the boss of the damn road. Look at that. It's awesome. So cool, man. So cool. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Rob's Life YouTube channel. We got the engine hooked up, ready to go in the vehicle. Exactly. So let's get this thing going.
Afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you.
So as you see, the engine is in. I've been waiting for a long time to get this engine in here, and it's finally in here. So happy. But we got a problem. Rain coming. So I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see. That rain goes by. It's dropping some big drops of rain right now. You can actually look on the windshield. Yeah, that's big. So, other than that, happy I got the engine in, ready to connect it, get it running, and hopefully pretty soon drive this thing. Can't wait. So stay tuned again. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button, comment below, and hit that red subscribe button. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace out.